Today we're looking at Lewis structures and how to draw them. So Lewis structures, Lewis symbols, these are really simple drawings and they mean so many things to people who look at them. They follow the octet rule, which is where you want to have 8 electrons around an atom. And by electrons, we're talking about the valence electrons. Remember, the valence electrons are in the outer energy level. And in this case, they're going to be represented as dots. Remember the columns? This column, anything in this column has 1 valence electron. Anything in this column has 2. This column has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 valence electrons. So what you want to do, you're going to put the electrons around the symbol as single dots until you get to 4. You'll notice in this carbon example, there's a dot here, a dot here, a dot here, and a dot here. Then you pair them like with nitrogen. 1, 2, 3. Now, in a way, you could think of this as, and some people do think of this as an s orbital, and this being the p orbitals that are available. For now, we're just going to be looking at these as the electrons that are available for bonding. So you continue all around until you reach 8 dots. So for example, neon has 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they're all in pairs. Any overall charge is placed as a superscript outside the brackets around a structure. So like for example, this fluorine right here, you can see there's brackets with a negative charge. So that would only be necessary if you were dealing with fluorine minus. If you were just dealing with neutral fluorine, you would just put your electrons around the fluorine and be done with it. Electron or fluorine minus has 1 more electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he has 8 electrons with that negative sign, and that's how you have to show that there's a negative charge or a positive charge, is with the brackets. This is all covalent bonding. So these electrons, when they are actually bonded, they're shown as a line between an atom that is bonded. You'll see that coming up. So first, draw Lewis structures for these atoms. So the top row is neutral, and then the second row has charges. So I'm going to do a few of these. So notice lithium is right here. So it just has 1 electron. I could put it there. 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 All these places are fine. There's no preference for where you start. And then magnesium. Make sure you're looking at magnesium and not manganese. Has 1, 2 electrons. Now, I'm going to let you finish it off. Remember, this structure here would have 1 less electron. So it would be Mg with a single dot. And you could have put it anywhere on there. Remember that these have extra, and I've already shown fluorine. He starts off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But he's got to have the brackets and the negative charge. Let's give magnesium its brackets and the positive charge. All right, you go ahead and fill the rest in.